differentiate 1 over x raised to the 1 over x. So we write this first as the derivative with respect to x of e raised to the ln of 1 over x times that remaining 1 over x right here. Again, this is allowed because e and ln are inverse functions. Continue down below. Now I use the chain rule. That means you basically first copy this, so it becomes e to the ln of 1 over x times 1 over x, and then multiply by the derivative of the exponent there, which is that ln of 1 over x times 1 over x. Continue, so copy this, e to the ln of 1 over x times the remaining 1 over x. Now here you have to use the product rule on this part. So find the derivative of ln of 1 over x, which is 1 over whatever the inside is, which is 1 over x, times the derivative of the inside, which is another 1 over x, times the remaining 1 over x right here. Plus, by the product rule, ln of 1 over x times the remaining derivative of, with respect to x, of that 1 over x, this one right here now, okay? All right, gets a bit crazy. Now, these are inverse functions, so cancel this with this, which means you can bring the 1 over x back down to the base, copy the 1 over x to the exponent, and now go through this process. So 1 divided by 1 over x is just x by the rules of fractions. The derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. That's a well-known fact, basically, times that remaining 1 over x plus the ln of 1 over x right here, times the derivative of the remaining 1 over x, which is negative 1 over x squared right here. Close the bracket. Continue down below, so it's 1 over x raised to the 1 over x. Clean this up a little bit. So this x, for example, would cancel with that too. But then you have this x times the x right here with the negative. So you're going to have negative 1 over x squared at the very end. Plus, so this is just ln of 1 over x, basically hanging over with the negative from here, the x squared. Continue down below, so it's 1 over x raised to the 1 over x. Now notice something. This is x squared in the bottom, x squared in the bottom. What you can do, together with the negative here and the negative here, is you can pull the x squared out and x squared out. In other words, it's going to put a negative all the way out front, and then the x squared you can pull out and place out here as, say, 1 over x squared within brackets for now. And then what's left within the other brackets would be the remaining 1 from here, but a positive 1 now. The negative has gone out, so the positive 1 stays, and this is ln of 1 over x. Continue down below, so it's negative 1 over x raised to the 1 over x. Now look very carefully. This is 1 over x squared, which is equivalent to writing 1 over x squared this way, times the remaining 1 plus ln of 1 over x this way. Continue. So now just attach this 2 here with this x here, 1 over x rather, so it's going to be negative 1 over x raised to the 1 over x plus 2, because this is the base and this is the base and they're the same, times the remaining 1 plus ln of 1 over x. Here's all the work. Please like this video if it's been interesting or helped you out.